Hi everyone, Leah here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun beading video for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to go check out the rest of our channel. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll always know when we're posting new content. Okay everyone, what I have for you today is a demonstration video on how to use these great new Rivolis setting tools. So we have them all the way from 8mm to 14mm, and they work with Chatons, with round Rivolis, as well as the square cushion cut Rivolis. Now, what you'll end up with is a Rivoli of your choice, of your size, of your shape, set into one of these really great sew-on settings. Now, if you've never used these before, what you have is 4 prongs in a metal setting, and there's these holes that run along the setting. So you can do a lot of fun things with these. So for example, you can sew these down onto leather or ultra suede, and you can do bead embroidery around the stone that you've set. You can string a couple of strands of soft flex right through those holes, and you can string a really beautiful, fancy looking bracelet with these gorgeous Swarovski stones that you have set yourself. Now, what's nice about this is that the previous way of doing this, and the way I've shown you in previous videos, is that you set your stone down into the setting, and then you had to use pliers to roll your settings down. And while that's doable, there's a few more risks involved. So for example, you risk that as you push one prong down, the stone shifts a little bit, and then your stone's not centered anymore. Or you risk your finger slipping or the pliers slipping. It's just a little bit more of a learning curve there. But this tool makes it so much easier. Now, what's nice is that these tools are clearly labeled with the size and what they're used for. And you don't need a separate tool to do a round Rivoli versus a square Rivoli versus the cushion cuts. And I think that's really nice. It works on both of them. All you need to pay attention to is your millimeter size. So as far as these metal settings here, these sew-on settings, we carry them and these setting tools in 8, 10, 12, and 14mm sizes. And we also carry them, as you can see, in round sizes. We carry them in the cushion cut, the square sizes, the square shapes rather. We have them in different metals. So you can see we have silver here, we have gold, we have a really fun gunmetal color. So you have a lot of options, so you can completely customize this for you and whatever project you're working on. So I'm going to show you exactly how you use the tool, and I'm going to demonstrate showing you on a 8mm Chaton as well as a Rivoli here, a round Rivoli. So one tip that I can give you is you're going to want to do it on somewhat of a firm surface. So as you can see, this is just a piece of fabric I have, and it's on a table. There's nothing that's squishy here. I previously did try to do it on a much squishier surface, and it didn't work out as well. So make sure you're just working on a nice firm surface, and you'll have no problem. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your stone and you're going to set it down into your sew-on setting, and you just want to make sure that it's sitting in there nice and straight. That's it. That's the only thing you have to make sure of. As long as your stone is sitting in there nice and straight, you're going to have a great final product. So next, you're going to take the appropriate tool. This is a 10mm Rivoli, so I have my 10mm tool here. And you're just going to take it and go right down on top of the stone and just lightly press down, just like this. And you get very easily 4 prongs that are perfectly set down. It took but a moment. You can see all of them are nice. They're flat against the stone. Look how you can see how perfectly they hug that stone. And so that's what's nice about this. This tool is really going to allow you to get your stones set into these settings in a way that's very secure. On top of being easy and on top of giving you wonderful, endless options, it's going to be secure. And those prongs sitting nice and flat against the stone are going to be much less likely to snag on anything or get caught on anything. So these tools are really, really fun. I'm going to show you the Chaton and show you how just as easy it is to do. Chatons are a little bit of a deeper stone than a Rivoli, but again, all you have to do is make sure that it's set in there nice and level. That's it. We're going to take our Chaton setting tool. You can see SS39. It's for these standard size Chatons, my favorite size actually. And again, just push down just like this, however you like, whether you hold the tool like this, whether you push down like this, whatever you prefer. And again, perfectly set Chatons. And if you've been to our website, eurekacrystalbeads.com, you know that we have an endless amount of color options that you can pick from with regard to chatons. We even have Preciosa chatons if you want a different price point with regard to the chatons, to the Rivolis, to, we have cushion cuts, and we've been adding even more beautiful colors in of those square puffed cushion cut stones, which I think have a beautiful high-end look to them. So that is as easy as it gets. So again, we have the 8, 10, 12, and 14 millimeter size. One tool will cover both the round and cushion cut stone, depending on whichever one you're picking. No extra tool is needed for a different shape. We have all of these fun settings with tons of options of things you can do with them. And you end up with these beautiful little baubles that you can do so much with. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to visit us on over at eurekacrystalbeads.com for everything I used in this video, and we will link that below for you as well in the description box. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.